What if, for a chance to live a normal life, you must place it in the hands of another? Every year, nearly 1.5 million people need cardiopulmonary bypass, allowing the OR team to operate on their non-beating hearts. That's when they count on cardiac perfusionists to keep them alive by becoming their breath and beat. For more than half a century, you have shared your commitment to support patients during life-saving procedures, building partnerships to deliver reliable solutions and data-driven innovation. Together, your dedication is our promise to be by your side when people trust you with their lives. Celebrating perfusionists for more than 50 years.